Tip top trippers, my name is Donato and welcome back to my channel for a special one-off video, short, sweet, to the point. And the reason why I'm doing this is I want you to share this amongst everybody that you know. Yes, that's right, everybody that you know. That's right folks, whether you've been watching my videos for the past 6 years or you are new here, it would really help if you do give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. And as I said, whilst I'm walking along here, along the beautiful River Severn here in the city of Worcester, and for those of you who are distance far and wide, Worcester is the, I guess it'd be called the, not state capital. Here in England we have counties, so it'd be the county capital of the county of Worcestershire. Yes, I mean one of the shires of England. But what's this video about and what do I need your help for? Because I need your help. I have briefly mentioned this in one of my regular videos, so for those who are regular watchers, viewers, commenters, and I do love the comments that you guys give, and you leave some comments below, please do, is that yes, I have my Saturday Smiles, which will be coming up soon in the next few days, and also I have my weekly marathon update that I'm progressing through to run the Manchester Marathon in, where is it, April? Yeah, beginning of April, where I will be having a meetup which sort of closely relates to this. I'll give you more details towards the end of the video of the meetup that we have for Manchester Marathon, because it'd be great to meet some of you guys in person. But this challenge that I'm taking on, that I really do need your help, and I've got to give a big thank you for those who've already reached out to me. And you can reach out to me either via the social channels, Poet with Pace, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, or you can email me at poetwithpace@gmail.com. and what I need is you. Yes, whether it's you physically. And to give you a bit of a background, I'm looking to meet with 50 people because I'm doing the 50 coffee challenges from the book of Mark Wynne, as I mentioned in a previous video, and I really do need your help. And the theme that I'm going with is the topic that I have is Commonwealth Pizza Run, but the theme of the conversation and the talk is, what do we have in common? What brings us together as people? So much has been going on, and for me it almost hit a sweet spot straight away. As soon as I heard about the book, I thought I've got to read it and do it. And because the past 2 years, I don't know about you, but I've felt we've sort of been detached from people. We've been separated, and I think it's time for us to come together. What brings us? What's our common thing that we have? What unites us? What brings us together? And I think the Commonwealth, the reason why I've gone with Commonwealth is where I am here in Worcester is literally 30 miles, about 30 miles-ish south of Birmingham, which will be the host city for the Commonwealth Games this summer, where there are 53 nations in the Commonwealth. Yes, 53. So I thought that would be a good theme of 50 people of the Commonwealth. And the 50 people I'm looking for, ideally, as I say, face to face, but it can be via Zoom, Skype, and we don't have to record it. It's just between you and me, and because I'd love to meet with you guys. And the theme is Commonwealth, and the 53 nations. You don't have to have been born there, your parents haven't been there, but some of the people who've reached out have lived in some of these countries, or even other countries, because I'd just like to meet with anyone really. But a bit of history about me. When I was younger, I wouldn't say boo to a goose, and I wasn't very comfortable talking with people, and very different to where I am now. Yeah, here I am talking to an inanimate object, my camera, and to you, and reaching out to the world of the YouTubes, of the internet. And I do enjoy this, and I love your positive comments, and I love your positive feedback, and it really makes me feel good, which will be my theme on the Saturday Smiles coming up. But yeah, get in touch with me, reach out, pass this amongst all your friends, family, wherever they are, wherever they be. So whilst my topic is the Commonwealth Pizza Run, Commonwealth is the thing that pulls us together. What do we have in common? What do you want to do there? But right now, would you believe, nature is calling. So brief interlude. Oh my word, I think I've been drinking too many teas and coffees this morning, but yeah, nature calls. Anyway, brief interlude completed. So yes, I need your help. So whether you directly watching this, I've left a link in the description of all the Commonwealth nations, all 53 nations, but the ones that immediately jump to mind, I know I've got viewers out there in New Zealand, Australia, that's part of the Commonwealth, Canada, but we've got here England, Scotland, Wales, Northern Ireland and all those other countries. So yes, get on board, get commenting, reach out, and as I say, even if it's not you, and even if you're not part of the Commonwealth, reach out anyway, and I'd love to hear from you. So let's see where this goes, the 50 coffee adventures. Yeah, quick change into yes, I did mention Meetup Manchester Marathon. So many of you I know will be running Manchester Marathon, and some of you live in the area and will be coming out to support. But wouldn't it be fantastic to have a meetup? So because I thought, yeah, let's meet up and see you in real life. So maybe for some of you it might be your first marathon, it might be your umpteenth marathon, doesn't matter. It'd be great to meet up. So I've penciled in Saturday morning before race day. So the race day is on the Sunday. Is it Sunday the 3rd of April? So it'd be Saturday the 2nd of April morning around 10:15 for a coffee, brunch, whatever you want to call it, at Tim Hortons in Altrincham. And the reason why I say Altrincham, it's so easy to get to. It's away from the centre of Manchester city centre, but Altrincham, it's easy to get to on the metro tram link, the buses, train stations. There's a big station there, and literally a couple of minutes walk from there is Tim Hortons. And I do love Tim Hortons because they do a wonderful French vanilla coffee. So good. But you don't have to drink or eat anything there. You can just come over and meet me. I mean, I'll be there, so whether there be one of you, umpteen of you, it doesn't really matter. Or maybe could there be 53? Who knows? But that's a totally different side note, and I'd love to see you all there. And I've got, as I listen to the rowers going across the River Severn here. But yeah, that's it. So 50 coffee challenges. Pass this video on. Let's see who we can find out there. Reach out to me on the socials, email, as I mentioned, Pout with Pace, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and email is poutwithpace@gmail.com. Thank you all so much for your ongoing support, sharing, loving, caring, and yeah, it's so nice. And I mean, wow, right now it feels like spring. I mean, it's in double digit Celsius. I think it's about 11 Celsius, 12 Celsius. This is the warmest it's been in weeks. Have you seen some of my training runs? I've been in multi-layer, but right now I'm in my nice summer jacket here. It's lovely, fantastic. Better go. Thank you. Take care all. Love you all. Comments below. Yep.